Hi, and welcome to CPAAccountants.Irvine.com. Let's talk about 2012 pay tax for employers. Each year, millions of business owners have to report payroll taxes for their employers. Irvine's CPA understands the process can be daunting, especially if you have a large number of employees. However, some of the benefits of filing payroll taxes can be very good for your business too. You should be prepared to file taxes for both federal and state taxes, with the exception of certain states such as the state of Nevada. Checking with your local state office to see if state taxes are owed in your particular state. Payroll taxes are the state and federal taxes that you, as an employer, are required to withhold and/or to pay on behalf of your employees. You are required to withhold state and federal income taxes as well as Social Security and Medicare taxes from your employees' wages. This is to ensure proper filing with the IRS for payroll tax for employers. This information will also vary greatly based on the number of employees you have at your business and how this information is treated. For example, if you are reporting taxes for your employee, the employee will fill out a W-4 form with all his or her information. This will mean that you as the employer are paying toward the taxes on a paycheck basis. If your employees are independent contractors, they will fill out a 1099 form and they, the employee, are responsible for filing their own taxes on this earned income. Here are the FICA and SECA tax rates. All states require employers to pay taxes towards Social Security and Medicare for payroll tax for employers. Paying towards this type of tax helps employees enhance their Social Security and Medicare benefits in future years. These taxes hold the following deduction rates. Social Security tax withholding 6.2% up to the annual maximum, and Medicare tax withholding 1.45%. FICA stands for Federal Insurance Contributions Act. The FICA tax consists of both Social Security and Medicare taxes. Irvine CPA tells us that Social Security and Medicare taxes are paid both by the employees and the employer. Both parties pay half of these taxes. Employees pay half and the employers pay the other half. Together, both halves of the FICA taxes add up to 15.3%. The 15.3% FICA tax is broken down as follows. Social Security, employee pays 6.2%. Social Security, employer pays 6.2%. Medicare, employee pays 1.45%, and with Medicare, the employer pays 1.45%. Together, both halves of the FICA taxes add up to 15.3%. The 15.3% FICA tax is broken down as follows. With Social Security, the employee pays 6.2% and the employer pays 6.2%. With Medicare, the employee pays 1.5% and the employer also pays 1.45%. For 2012, the employee portion of Social Security is anticipated to be reduced to 4.2% instead of 6.2%. It is imperative to revert back to the full tax amount for the coming year, as any reduction in rate can cause penalties to be assessed to your company. How do employers report taxes? Depending on the type of tax schedule your business is reporting under, you most likely make tax payments quarterly. Tax payments should be assessed by your company and each statement filed and reported to the IRS. Irvine CPA knows that this means, as an employer, you will be required to file and make federal tax deposits on a regular and timely basis. Complete and file your annual tax unemployment tax return. This is Form 940. Complete and file your employer's quarterly payroll return, 941. Complete and file your annual tax return of federal withheld income tax, Form 845. And complete and file your wage and tax statement, Form W-2. In some circumstances, you may need to update employee information and withholdings during the year as well. Ensure that each employee has read and filed their withholding information during the year to ensure proper withholding and tax preparation. What do I do now, you may ask? If filing your payroll tax seems like a daunting task, or you really don't understand what to do, there are several agencies out there that can help you get everything in order without having to hire a tax attorney or CPA. The majority of these businesses are able to contact and assess your tax standing with the IRS and/or state in which your business resides and file any paperwork accordingly. These types of businesses not only can help you get your payroll tax prepared, but they can also help you to determine how to start filing for employees, how to add or remove employees from your taxes. These types of services can help provide significant savings as well as ensure that you are not assessed any penalties for later incorrect filings. One of the most common errors for employers in incorrectly filing wages is exemptions and withholdings. These types of errors are commonly seen when calculating sick days, vacation, and bonuses. It may be in the best interest of your company to seek counsel if you do not already have a tax preparer on staff. Irvine CPA makes sure that you are filing all the necessary documents with the IRS, paying your employer taxes on time, and calculating Social Security and Medicare taxes correctly. Errors in these areas can be costly for businesses, and getting things right the first time around will help your business save time and money in the long run. For more information and to schedule a free consultation, please visit us at cpa-accountant-irvine.com.